Midsummer scream. The game is about to begin. You are invited to the Gears of Fear, a tribute to the iconic horror films of Lionsgate. Brave through the bone-chilling encounters of The Strangers, Chapter 1. The dark mine shafts of My Bloody Valentine, the countless terrors of Cabin in the Woods, the evils from Never Let Go, the dark world of The Crow, and the adrenaline-filled moments of Saw. The squeaking gears, the dim corners, the threats and the whispers, the agonized screams are all attributed to the fear that Lionsgate has instilled. Remember, your choices will lead you inside, but will they lead you out? The game begins. The choice is yours.